And yes, welcome. Today we're gonna go through how you can install modpacks in CurseForge. So just to make sure, check that you have the latest version of CurseForge, which is currently 0.193.1. And then you can just go ahead and close that window and you can go to Browse Modpacks. So mod packs are essentially something where a user has put together a lot of mods together and made it like a big pack, like all the mods and Valhesia 2, Pixelmon, everything like that. So to install something, you basically don't use the website because it's a hassle, I know. But you can use the CurseForge application and go to Browse Modpacks as long as you have installed Minecraft and everything. And then you just go like install and everything will just solve itself. It will download all the mods from the CurseForge servers. It will fix the correct version of Java to use, and everything will be fixed for you. You don't have to do anything at all. You just have to wait for it to download stuff, and that's basically it. And when it's done, you can just go back to my mod packs and it will appear here, and you can press play or anything like that. So we're just gonna go ahead and see that it actually works when it's installed. If it installs in a timely manner. So we're just gonna have to wait for the final mods here to finish up downloading. And it's done. So we'll just go ahead and start. It's gonna start the Minecraft launcher. It's not gonna be the new one that Windows has released, but it's gonna use one of the launchers that we can use through CurseForge. And oh crap, I need to log in. Anyway, I thought it would remember me by now, but I'm just gonna go ahead and log in here. Give me a second. Let's see here. And I don't remember which one I used here. Isn't this one? I'm basically gonna cut this out from the... Oh, I think... No, that's not the one. Oh, this is the one. Well, that was awkward. Enter code from the application. Yeah, whatever. Are you kidding me? Stop it. Thank you. So, anyway. No. This is also one of the things. When you get this notification about the new improved launcher, just click cancel. It'll work better if you don't upgrade it. So just click play here, and yes, I understand the risks. You get this warning because the modifications to the game can give you... I mean, it's gonna do a lot of things, basically. You can do a lot of things with mods, so they just want you to be sure that you know what you're doing and everything. So we have to wait for it to download all the assets and that is used in Minecraft. And then it's gonna launch Minecraft, and hopefully it will just start without any errors. And we will cover errors in another video. I noticed that it's also very bright when you have like this huge white launcher in your face and you have one of the key lights to brighten up your face. Makes me look bloomed. Oh, there we go. And the menu looks a little bit funny right now. I don't know if that's intentional or if I did something wrong. Maybe I should... Well, that's interesting. I think maybe it's because I have a 4040p resolution. That could be some sort of issue. But yeah, that's how you install and run Pixelmon, more or less. So, thank you for watching, and see you next time.